So last time we talked about fixing this monk's head here because he had a leaf. So let's go ahead and put in another monk. So we start with a nice clean image. Add, insert a photo, insert the monk, and we're going to remove the leaf, but also have his head there. You want to use the clone tool. So go to this one that looks like a magic wand, and all the way on the bottom is the clone. Okay. Now you move the little circle first, and that's the part where it's going to clone. That's the part it's going to copy. Yeah, so I'm going to need a sampling of his hair right here. Okay? And then now we can clone exactly where that's going to be. Let's move a little bit here. Let's move a little bit here. Like that. Now you notice that every time I move, the clone tool moves in conjunction with my pen. I find that kind of annoying. So, and also remember, you could use different types of pen structures, like textures, I mean. Let's say everybody knows that the airbrush is nice. So you can use the airbrush. Ooh, it's a little big there. Use the airbrush to have a little nicer effect here. A little calmer. Okay. Move that to there again a little bit here. So there you see how there we go. Okay. So that'll get you started there. It's the clone tool. Of course, you still need to go in there and use your smudge tool to smudge that in there. But the most important part, you can go zoom in here, is the part between the leaf and the part of the hair, the head. So once again, go to, this looks like a magic wand tool, clone, select the part that you need to copy. Like right here, we're gonna need to copy this part here because this would go into here. And then clone away. See, a little darker. I'm thinking that maybe his hair would look, no, logically his hair would still look darker this way, right? So you have to use your artistic license too. Okay, and let's have a little bit more bald this way. Okay, and use the smudge tool to smudge in the anything that doesn't look too good, and that's how you would do it. Okay, zooming out. You have to go in here and make it look less blotchy. So use the clone tool again. Like I want to have this pattern here. Oops. Let's use the use some sort of pattern here. Let's use this pattern here. See, I don't, maybe that'll help. Yeah, I want to use some sort of, and it's too opaque. See, that's a little better here. But you're going to have to go play with it. See, that's a little better. It was a little too opaque here. So, okay, let's move the tone going through here. See, now I'm getting all crazy here. Let me see, maybe this one will help a little more. And that's too opaque. Turn the opacity down. That's a little bit of here. But you get the idea. Let's go. So there. With a little bit of extra work, you can successfully have a nice gradient between what was blocking shoot. There. That's almost acceptable. I can go on for another 10 minutes doing this, but I think you guys have been led to the right tool. Once again, looks like a magic wand tool and clone. Yeah. There you go. Another hint that I just thought of right now is maybe find another picture of another bald guy, right? And take that picture, import another picture of another bald guy, and go and put that picture into here and use the opacity. Once you're done with this, let's see, like once you're done with taking, shoot. Okay. Once you're done with removing all this leaf here, right, you're going to have, let's see, you're going to have a head like this, right, with the same colors. So I would go search for another bald guy and put that bald guy's head over his head. So that's it for this lesson.